Hello, this is Solomon Davis from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side but with confidence. This is Sunday, September 25th, 2016, and I'm going to do a quick little video on, so you want to be a trader? First of all, let me let you know that this is all for educational purposes only. Let me scroll down here to our disclaimer on our webpage at rightsidetrading.com. Get in touch with your significant other, get in touch with your financial advisor, see if trading is something suitable for you. Trading is risky. You can lose money, you will lose money, but if you get educated, you can make money out of this thing. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme out here. It takes time, it takes study, it takes you getting yourself educated to a point to where you can see this. Like I say, all our products and services that we have out here are for educational purposes only. Read this, and let me get into what I want to kind of quickly talk about right here. Also, we have this Right Side Trader YouTube page. This is where this video will be posted at. You may find it on our website, which is our Right Side Trading here, where we offer courses, mentorship, coaching, and we have our blog where I'll be placing this video at also. It's coming up a little slow, but it'll be out here. So, but what I want to really do about this, so you want to be a trader, is the first thing that you got to do is talk to your significant other or your financial advisor. See if you have the capital, the excess capital, in order to invest. Let's say, do you have a residual income? Do you have disposable cash? It's different terms that they use. Because, again, it might be disposed out here in this market if you don't really take the time that it takes in order to learn how to trade or how to invest. If you're not going to take that type of time, leave it to the professionals. Hand your money. Talk to your financial advisor, and he'll advise you what's best for you. Like I say, we're here just try to educate you on how to trade in these markets. But first of all, one of the things that you're going to need is, let me switch over to the other screen. You're going to need a broker. If you do decide and you do find out that trading is something suitable for you, you're going to need an online broker. A lot today is no calling on. You don't have to call on the phones. You don't have to call a broker to place your order. You can do it yourself online. There's many online brokers out here. This is an article. This is one of many articles that you'll be able to find out there on the web if you search for brokers and all. They got the top 5 brokers. They got this brokers and all that kind of stuff. But this is a good article from Barron's that talks about the best online brokers. Fidelity wins Barron's 2016 survey. So they give a whole article here, and they compare other online brokers, and Fidelity just happened to come out on top. I'm just showing you this site right here, and I'll put a link where you can link and get to this site here from the video. There's another little thing where, again, on the broker thing, they was talking about the top 5 brokers, but this can be just a sale thing. And that's one of the other things that you'll find out here. A lot of these brokers, they're all the same. You're actually really dealing with the same people. Cause like Option House, Trade King, I think Option House just merged with a couple other brokers and all, and they're all the same. So you need to find out what are you going to be looking for. Do you need to be able to trade anywhere in the world? Do you need to be able to transfer currency types and all? Do you need a good mobile app? Are you actively trading where you're trading thousands of shares? Again, because one of the things that you're going to be looking at is how much does it cost me to place a trade? How many trades do I have to place a month, a week, a year, in order to keep my commissions at the same price? Will my commissions fluctuate based on, the number of trades I make? See, like this one right here, one trade, $50. But if I jump back over here, one trade, $50, 3 trades, $75, 5 trades, $150. But if I go to the next broker here, Option House, They talk about commission-free trading for the first 60 days. That's for joining and all. But again, they got an asterisk here, and I'm sure that asterisk is about you need to put $25,000 or $50,000 or $100,000 into that account in order to get those 60 days free. And that's the things that you got to look at. What are the real true costs of actually trading with any of these brokers and stuff. So take your time and look through. Right here, I'll have a link to this article here. I'll have a link to some of these different brokers here and all in this video to kind of help you out. The broker that you see me using all the time is TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade is the same as ThinkofSwim. They have the ThinkofSwim platform that I love using. I've been using it. I started out using the platform unfunded for probably the last 7 years, and I just funded it just this year because I switched from trading options and stock to trading futures. And when I looked at trading futures, I have been using these guys for free. These guys, even though I didn't have a funded account, I was able to call these guys and ask for help, trying to understand things and all. So when I did get ready to change the products that I was trading, I said, go here. Because, again, the difference in commission wasn't that big of a difference. And plus, I have been using these guys for years, free. No funds in my account at all, because I was trading with a couple other brokers. It was Option House I was trading with, which is they're slowly getting out of the picture. Option House was, if you was trading a lot of contracts and stuff, Option House was like the cheapest place to trade. And that's what I used to do. I used to trade options, and I still have an account there with Option House. And I did get locked in there, and I did try to contact other people who told them to watch Option House was changing, and you needed to lock in their price back before the change met. Because they were great too. Those guys, they knew who I was. They would contact me. They would ask me, how could they help me, and all that kind of stuff. I remember, trading stocks with them. I was trading options and stocks with them. I remember one time trading options with them. I had went over my limit, for the day, and they contacted me, letting me know, hey, Mr. Davis, we see that you are over your limit, and all, because I was having problems on the platform placing an order. And I didn't think I was doing anything wrong, but they contact me and they say, I see you're having problems. Again, that's the other thing that I tell you. These brokers do watch what you are doing in your live account and in your virtual account. So when you practice in your virtual account, once you get that account open and you decide what broker you want to go with, trade like you're trading real. There's a lot of things in the virtual account that's not like the real market, but make sure you understand the platform and make sure you understand, your strategy that you are using. It's nothing wrong to keep resetting that account and get where you are profitable in that virtual account before you go live. The one other thing that I wanted to look at here on the broker side is kind of like look a little closer at TD Ameritrade and what they have to offer. I'm not getting anything for this from TD Ameritrade or ThinkofSwim. It's just that this is one of those platforms that I've been using for a long time, and I don't mind pitching it. It's definitely, I like it. Maybe you'll like it. I'm switching over to ThinkofSwim. If you go to thinkofswim.com/t/learninghtml, you'll get to their learning center. And that's what I want to highlight here. But they got other things here on this page, but I just want to highlight the Learning Center. If you click on this Learning Center link, it'll take you to this area here. And once you get to this area here, they have more information here and videos to show you how to use their platform. If you click on this video tab, this first one right here, and then you want to click on Overview. If you click there, it's going to show you all this right here. And then the different topics, you can learn about the different areas of their platform. You click here, they'll tell you about the left side. If you go down here, if you're right now, I know a lot of people have been talking about future markets, since that's what I've been doing, and people have been wondering what I'm doing in the future market. And some of them, sometimes it's just basic information about the platform and how it's set up. But right here, they got great, I was going to do a video on how I set things up, but they got videos already here. There's no need of me recreating the wheel, and that's one of the things. Learn to trade smart, learn to study smart. Learn to learn from others and learn from their mistakes. You do not have to make all those mistakes and lose all the money that we have lost in the market. Try to learn from the stuff that we've done and all, and then have to watch our accounts down and then bring them back up. But these active trader part 1 through 6, I believe it is. These are some great videos. I've watched these. All these videos, and then these other videos are good stuff. But look through these videos and you can find what you're looking for. And they're short. They're all short little videos, 2-minute videos, 1 minute, a little over 1 minute videos. They're all short. So check these videos out. That's all I really wanted to say here this evening, is just point you to where you can find some information on understanding the ThinkofSwim platform. And get in here, start educating yourself. If you need help, contact us at rightsidetrading.com. We do offer private mentorship and coaching. I will update this page, or you can contact us about pricing if you need help. And maybe I'll talk to my partner and see if we can go ahead and update this page and maybe put some pricing out here. And also keep an eye on these different pages and the different products that we have going on with Right Side Trading. I know we're going to get where we start running specials around the holidays and stuff like that, but they're going to be kind of like once a year type special or once in a lifetime type special. These specials that we're going to run out there. So visit our page, visit our site. Look around from time to time. Subscribe for updates whenever we're doing any updates and stuff. Subscribe to our YouTube page, so you can get the information when we do post videos out here. So that's all I really want to say. This is Solomon from Right Side Trading, where you can learn to trade on the right side with confidence. Thank you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.